Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Minnamurra on the south coastline. Now departing on platform number 1, the only platform here at Minnamurra. We have front 4 cars, H31, and the rear 4 cars, H34, for a Kiama service, stopping next at Bombo and following by Kiama. We will see it return for a Bondi Junction service a little later. Just over here we have the Minnamurra golf course. I'll give you a tour of Minnamurra station very shortly. And we're just going to quickly tap off here. Just take a look at walk down just over here. Whilst I'm waiting for H31 and H34 to return. Just over here we have details of the Kiama Coast Walk. Track of information poster, great carriage details, and the station entrance. Timetable information out on the street, and a light box. Station sign all blue, which you won't see much in these around for much longer. Anyway, viewers, fun fact for you guys. Where I'm currently standing, we are currently 113.321 kilometres from the Sydney Terminal buffer stop. Of course, it was electrified in 2001. CK stands for Coniston Kiama. So I'm going to give you guys a pan of Minnamurra. Platform 1 is the only platform here at Minnamurra which was extended and rebuilt in 2001. Has part of adapto to Kiama electrification works. So that's looking north towards Shell Harbour Junction. Oh, we're looking at the Minnamurra golf course, and that's looking south towards Bombo and Kiama. And the station sign here at Minnamurra, it's all blue. So anyway, viewers, I will see you when H34 and H31 returns. And we should have H34 and H31 returning to Minnamurra for a Bondi Junction service, stopping next at Shell Harbour Junction, then all stations to Coniston, followed by Wollongong, then all stations to Farul, then on to Central. Front half should be H34 and the rear is H31. Anyway, viewers, H31 and H34 is the only train that will feature in this Minnamurra episode. Despite Minnamurra having only one platform and one track, each train has to take its turn. So this time around, H31 and H34 will have its turn. So anyway, first time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell at the bottom right hand corner of the screen to receive updates about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.